forecast.
Sure can't wait until that turkey on Thanksgiving. Doesn't it all sound just delicious? Plus, don't forget the pumpkin pie, one of my favorites. Well, you know, it doesn't feel quite like Thanksgiving time. The weather has been warm, and today was no exception. We were above average again today. In fact, we hit 85 degrees. Now, that was only 4 degrees off the record high of 89 for today. Normally, we should be at 75. As far as right now, those temperatures are mostly in the 70s to low 80s. We have that erroneous number there at Orange Grove. It is not 97, but probably more like 83 at Orange Grove right now. 80 degrees at Corpus Christi and 77 at Port Aransas. As we go through tonight, more fog is going to develop inland, and temperatures will be fairly mild tonight again, thanks to that onshore flow, so we're not going to cool down much. Normally, we should be at 55, only dropping into the 60s tonight, even the upper 60s right along the coastline. Now, it looks like we could be dealing with that dense fog again tomorrow morning. As I put Fog Tracker into motion here, you can see this is showing those visibilities dropping. You can see from Beeville to about Robstown, Kingsville, and through Alice and Orange Grove, and also Tilden and Hebronville. Possibly some dense fog in the morning tomorrow, and then of course that'll quickly burn off, leaving us with sunshine mixed with a few clouds tomorrow afternoon. So here's a look at your hourly forecast then for Corpus Christi. Staying mild tonight, 6 in the morning, that temperature at 64 degrees, and by 10 tomorrow morning up to 77, and reaching into those low 80s tomorrow with a east-northeast breeze blowing under 15 miles an hour. Looks nice tomorrow, anywhere from 83 Corpus Christi and 84 Orange Grove, 80 Ingleside. Pretty warm again for your Saturday, and we're going to feel that humidity once again. So let me go backwards here. I'm going to go back to the beach forecast. If you're heading to the beaches for your Saturday, it looks pretty good out there. That temperature at the beach tomorrow with that water, wind coming off the water from the northeast near 10 miles an hour, keeping in the mid-70s. There's a moderate rip current risk. If you're going to get in that 73-degree water, watch for that. Use caution, as there's still a pretty good risk of rip currents tomorrow. We have that Bob Hall Pier low tide at 125 tomorrow, so the water will be low on the beaches tomorrow during the early afternoon. Good for driving. That high tide coming in tomorrow night around 10:33. All right, so as far as any rain, I don't see it. You know, we do have the onshore flow though, and I can't rule out a stray shower, but you can see tomorrow morning mainly some fog inland, a few low clouds around early, a northeast breeze, and then we clear out a bit. Tomorrow night, I think, is our better shot. Maybe a coastal shower here and there, not much at all, just a stray shower overnight Saturday into early Sunday. And then the skies clear out Sunday to mostly sunny and another warm day. So there are some changes heading our way. I did want to point this out. You know, we've been in a warm, humid, and dry weather pattern, and it looks like that's going to persist through early next week. But as I put this into motion, that high pressure aloft, you see it there? It kind of hangs around into early next week as our dominant weather feature. But look there, that area of low pressure dropping to our north on Tuesday into Wednesday. That's our first cold front. And then there's a stronger one behind this that moves in by next weekend. I think Thanksgiving weekend we could be much cooler, and there's also the potential of a little bit of rain. So we'll be watching that as that weather pattern shifts a little bit. But for now, the first two cold fronts are very weak. You can see they don't bother our temperatures much, just a few degree difference here and there. But notice that stronger one by early next Saturday, that one could drop temperatures a little bit more. So right now the weather doesn't look like it's going to change much through early next week, but the wind picks up Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be windy, and then another cold front brings pleasant weather, much milder for Wednesday and Thanksgiving.